There's a larger signal now because the ones that are left right now are the ones that are either building or the ones that really know what crypto is. And if you're watching this and you're still in this space, it already speaks volumes of how much you know about it. While all of this was going on, I knew that Bitcoin, Ethereum, a select handful of projects would be okay. There might be price volatility, there might be people shorting that could bring the price down, but I knew because of what it was doing, especially for Bitcoin, that it would have staying power. Hey guys, so the year is about to end, and I think it's something that's a bit interesting in a way that no one expected things like this to happen. We've seen massive drops, not just in the crypto market, but also in the stock market. We've seen inflation rear its ugly head, but because of that also, interest rates have gone up massively. People were expecting that there would be lesser liquidity, there would be quantitative easing. A lot of those NFT projects or a lot of those tokens and coins didn't have really utility, would be rendered irrelevant. What's very interesting and caught a lot of people was the collapse of Luna. With that also was Anchor Protocol and then their entire ecosystem. And when Luna collapsed, made people scared about this industry, and a lot of closures that were attached to that, from BlockFi to Voyager to Celsius to even Three Arrows Capital. But one of the biggest ones that I think hit a lot of people financially was the closure of FTX. The closure of FTX has nothing to do with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. It's a failure of an institution primarily because of fraud, with the main intent of taking people's money. The miners, the hash rate, while all of this was going on, didn't change. Of course, the price became volatile, but the integrity of the network still there. If there's a couple of things that this brought to mind is that it will further push people to put their tokens and coins into hardware wallets, hot wallets that they control their own destiny. It will somehow prune out smaller projects, bad actors. It will also remove people who are in this space that didn't take the time to study, didn't take the time to build the conviction, or people who just went along for the ride thinking that it's gonna go up. There's a larger signal now because the ones that are left right now are the ones that are either building or the ones that really know what crypto is. And if you're watching this and you're still in this space, it already speaks volumes of how much you know about it. While all of this was going on, I knew that Bitcoin, Ethereum, a select handful of projects would be okay. There might be price volatility, there might be people shorting that could bring the price down, but I knew because of what it was doing, especially for Bitcoin, that it would have staying power. As we close the year, I think there are a lot of things that could be learned. If you lost money, there are a lot of things that you could check also in the way you treated your finances and your investments, that when you invest, you only put money that you would be okay if you won't be able to take it out, or even if it goes to zero. Because at any point in time that you're not comfortable already with the volatility, that means that you are putting an amount of money that you can't afford to lose. It will allow you also to reposition. Funds have been flowing from altcoins that have been trashed into Bitcoin or into projects that have very, very good utility or use. DeFi has been doing very, very well, and I think will be even stronger also because of this push, as people are wary about how centralized exchanges may be, and they would be going from centralized exchanges to DeFi, which now they have the ability to control their own destiny. From 2021, where everything was going up, to 2022, where a lot of things went to zero. Don't allow this crisis to be put to waste. Use what you learned from all of this to make 2023 a better year for you. Mine that into an experience that will allow you to become a better investor, to diversify properly, that will allow you to allot money properly, because you always have to look at the long game into this. And if you're watching this and you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, life is long. That what's a setback for 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years, if it allows you to gain the skills that you could use for a lifetime. The lesson here will allow you to make better investments that will bring more opportunities for you to earn later on as well, regardless if it's crypto or if it's stocks, that you looked at it from a perspective that it's get rich quick. This is a sobering reminder that when you cover your bases, you diversify, you save, allocate properly, and you're not just in it like it's a lottery ticket that it will save you from where you are right now, but it's something that's methodical, based on experience. It's something that you can learn to get better. Then I think it's already a step forward. Never ever look at mistakes as the end of it all. The fact that you're watching this and you're still alive, greater days are still ahead for you. Bigger and better things will abound. Please do remember this, that difficult times bring about greater investors, better entrepreneurs. That you've come so far to stop eh. Don't stop. Don't quit. Do what you can to just continue to move forward. And I'll just end it with this. Use whatever you have, whatever learnings, experiences, hurt to propel you to keep on running and to keep on moving forward for 2023. May your drive, your vision, your goal, where you see yourself in the next few years, be the driving force of your life to continually push you to get bigger, better, stronger. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope your 2023 would be your best year yet. That's it for now. Marvingermo. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all.